Is taking a melatonin supplement really helpful for those of us with sleep issues?
So the best science on melatonin is for supporting circadian rhythm disruption, circadian rhythm shifts. So for supporting people getting into a different like time zone, so for helpful after jet lag, as well as supporting sleep for shift workers who maybe are doing 4 days, 2 days off, 4 nights, 2 days off, right? Those types of schedules, melatonin can be extremely beneficial. But there is a growing body of scientific literature showing that melatonin can be helpful for just improving sleep onset time and sleep architecture, meaning how much of your sleep is in deep sleep versus REM sleep versus light sleep in healthy populations with sort of run of the mill sleep challenges. So there's a growing body of scientific literature showing that melatonin can be helpful beyond circadian rhythm disruption. So, yeah, I would say there's pretty good science on melatonin. We probably don't need as much as the typical, supplements that we can find from the grocery store, so that those can be 3 grams, 5 grams, sometimes 10 grams of melatonin per day, but a physiologic dose, like how much our bodies are making, is probably a tenth to like half a gram per day. There seems to be a fair amount of biological variability in terms of how much melatonin we each produce. So maybe sticking to more like a half a, of a milligram to 1 milligram is probably closer to how much our bodies actually need, but then experimenting and talking with your doctor. If you're going to supplement, your doctor should know about it because there are sometimes contraindications to supplements, and there are sometimes, right? Maybe a supplement that's going to interfere with something else that you're on. Some people are sensitive to melatonin supplements and will have adverse reactions. So having that conversation with your doctor ahead of time, they might want to know why you want to take melatonin and maybe do some diagnostics to figure out if there's something else going on affecting your sleep. Um, or they might have something better for you that's not melatonin, that's specific to your specific situation. So, yeah, no, the science on melatonin supplements is pretty cool. Overall, very safe. Doesn't look like we'd ever develop a tolerance to it. So it's not something that if it helps you sleep, it's not something that you ever have to like go off of or increase dose of. Like we don't become like melatonin resistant, so that's cool. But still, yeah, if you feel like you need melatonin to sleep, worthwhile having that conversation with your doctor. Just they should know. That's a data point.